Hello dear students, how are you doing? I know you all are doing good, you all are fit and fine, and I hope that you all are studying on a regular basis. So student, I Ishrita Sharma, your science teacher, is back here again with a new topic, with something new to discuss and something new to learn. So let's get started. But before we start, what you have to do? Yes, you have to mention your name in section in the comment box. So quickly do that. And student, one very important information that I wanted to share with you, as I shared the same in the WebEx session as well, that your periodical test 1 will going to start from 16th of July, right? So keep yourself prepared for the exams and start preparing, start revising your concepts, start revising your chapters. And beta syllabus and date sheet of periodical test 1 is already uploaded on the website. I hope you have seen it. Those who have, good. Those who have not, please go through with it once. Okay, so before we start our class, I would like to ask you one thing. I will ask one riddle and you have to answer me. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so here it is. I am colorful. I am very colorful, but I am not a rainbow. I have two legs. I have two legs, but I am not a human being. I can talk. I can talk, but I am not a person. And last, I can fly, but I am not an airplane. Can you tell me who am I? Think? I think you got the answer. Those who got it, then please mention it in the comment box quickly.
Yes, it is a bird.
Okay students, so today we will discuss about birds, which is one of the group of animal of vertebrates category. Right? You remember vertebrates? Animals are divided into two major categories. One is the vertebrates and another one is invertebrates, right? Vertebrates, who are vertebrates? Those who are having backbone or spine, while invertebrates don't have. And beta vertebrates are again further categorized into 5 broad categories, and they were, the very first is fish, second one is birds, third one is amphibian, fourth one is reptiles, and fifth one is mammals. Right? On the basis of their characteristics, they are again divided into 5 categories. So students, yesterday we done about fish, right? We done fish. Today we will talk about birds. Today we will discuss about birds.
Birds.
So students, now we will discuss about birds. We will learn the features of birds one by one. So the very first feature is, which is a very basic one, I hope you all know this, that the birds can fly. Yes, the birds can fly. You have seen so many birds flying in the air. But students, there is one exception. There is one bird that cannot fly. Can you name it? You have to search it on the Google and then you have to answer it in the comment box. A bird that cannot fly. You have to search it. Okay, so mostly birds can fly. This is the first basic characteristic of bird. And second one, as they can fly, so what organ they are having? Yes, they are having wings. They are having wings to fly. Now third one is, see, the body of birds are covered with a lot of colorful feathers. They are having feathers, right? They are having so many colorful feathers. Now come to the fourth one. See, can a bird eat like us. Whenever we wanted to eat something, what we used to do? We used to take it by our hand and then keep it in our mouth, right? Can bird also do that? No. What bird can do? Bird have to eat its food with the help of its beak. So the fourth one is birds are having beak, and they are having very sharp beak so that they can easily catch, or so that they can easily take their prey. Now fifth one is about their legs. Students, legs of birds are known as claws. Okay, they are known as claws, and with the help of the claw, bird catches its prey, bird catches small other animal and then eat it. So the fifth one is that birds are having claws to catch their prey. And the sixth one, which is very important one, as we are categorizing birds into vertebrates category, so the sixth property is that birds are having backbone. Okay, birds are having backbone. These are the six basic features of a bird. First one, they can fly, right? And they can fly why? Because their body weight is so light. They are so light in weight, that is why they can fly. Second is they are having wings to fly. Third one, their body is covered with various feathers. Fifth one is they are having beak to catch their prey and to eat it. Fifth one is again they are having claws to catch their prey. Sixth one is they are having backbone. Clear?
Students, would you like to hear the sound of this bird? Well, here it is. Amazing, huh?
Okay students, now take out your science fair notebook and start writing the work. See, we have already done syllabus, right? Then after we noted down the introduction part, key points, and then after we have to write down the glossary. So write glossary number 1, beak. Just now we studied about beak. So what is a beak? A hard pointed part of a bird's mouth. Okay, a pointed part of a bird's mouth. And second one is respiration, act of inhaling and exhaling the air. Okay, what is respiration? It is a breathing process. So write down these two glossaries. Note it down beta in neat and clean handwriting. And now student, this is your classwork. Do this. And now we will meet in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye.